Hey guys, I am super excited to share that we are doing 2 all-female builds this year and next year at Girl Gang Garage. So if you're not familiar, about 2 years ago we did an all-female build called the Chevy Montage. That was a 1957 Chevy pickup truck that we built with 90 different women from 23 different states who all came together throughout the course of about 10 months to build a show vehicle out of a truck that was destined for the junkyard. And now we're doing it again. Now originally we planned on doing just one new all-female build, and that was a 1961 Volvo PV544 that will be unveiled at SEMA in 2020. A funny thing happened. One of the women from the Chevy Montage, who was a total newbie and had very little experience working on cars, she decided she didn't want the experience to end. She was really enjoying learning all about tools, the restoration process, and learning to work with her hands. So, when the Chevy Montage was complete, she went and bought herself another truck. She bought a 56 Chevy pickup truck, and together we've been slowly working on it here at Girl Gang Garage. But what we noticed was happening was that lots of the other ladies from the Montage build were really missing the community that we'd created and the experience of working with other women. So a number of them kept raising their hand and saying, I want to come out and work on it too. So throughout the last couple of months, a number of ladies have come out and spent a couple of days, a long weekend, or even a week, just hanging out and helping work on build this truck. So we decided, why not just make it official? Let's call it an all-female build because that's what it's becoming anyway, and let's open the doors and invite more women in. So our 56 Chevy pickup truck is going to SEMA this year, and our Volvo is going to SEMA next year in 2020. The cool thing about having 2 builds going on at once is that they're both in different stages of completion, which means if you're really interested in learning one specific thing about the restoration process or about cars in general, then you can do that because we're not just stuck in one phase. High Yellow, the 56 Chevy pickup, is in bodywork phase. We just completed metalwork and it is going into bodywork and then reassembly, and then we'll be going to SEMA in like 100 days. That's like crazy soon. And then the Volvo is just starting off. We just stripped it all down and it is ready to go off to sandblasting. So one will be in metalwork stage and one will be in the bodywork stage. So there's something for everybody to learn. And if you want to share your skills, share your knowledge, there's an opportunity to do that. Or if you're a professional and you want to learn something new, there's an opportunity to do that too. Check the links below or the website. There's an opportunity for you to sign up. Let us know your interest level, what your skill set is, what you're interested in learning, or what you're interested in teaching, and we will find a way to get you involved in one of our 2 all-female builds.